Ikaw at Echo, Ka-Boys ni Idol!
The hottest noontime concert is about to begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ikaw at Echo, Ka-Boys ni Idol.
She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, feeling the catastrophe. She knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet off the ground and she's burning it down. She's got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, we got both feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh, she's got her head in the clouds and we're not going down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Hey, everybody stands as she goes by, 'cause they can see the flame that's in her eyes. Watch her when they're shining up the night, and nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gonna let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, 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 oh. She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Let's all give it up for PhD and Asia's Queen of Soul, my kumare, Jaya!
Yay! It's another exciting bakbakan sa EV tanghalian dahil 5th weekly finals na ng Ikaw at Echo, Ka-Boys ni Idol.
Teka lang, parang pinandyan, Kim.
Eh, dito ko, lugi ako, lubog na naman. Puro noon na naman makikita sa akin.
Okay, star-studded na naman ang concert natin today dahil ang mga ka-boys natin na nagpabilib this week muling magbabalik para patunayang sila ang next icon warrior.
Ngayong araw, magkakaalaman na kung sino talaga ang ka-voice at ka-aura ni Idol at magiging Ikaw at Echo's 5th weekly finals winner na mag-uwi ng 50,000 pesos.
At syempre, meron namang consolation prize ng 5,000 pesos.
Pero bago ang labanan sa EV concert stage, narito muna ang mga huhusga sa ating mga finalists for today.
Judge number 1, singer, comedian, actor, and TV host, Barricades, Alan K. Actress.
Actress. Madam.
Eto, judge number 2, singer, recorder, producer, and Asia's Queen of Soul na itago ko for single niya If You Leave Me Now, Jaya! Huh? Wow.
Alright, for this week, 5 concert icon wari ang muling sasabak sa kantahan. dito sa nag-iisang concert sa tanghalian.
Ang fierce naman ng mga judges natin.
Correct.
Oo nga.
At magkaibigan
Credible.
yan.
Oo naman.
Magagaling yan.
Kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. Get ready for a concert like no other. Eto na si DJ Julia!
Alright, thank you guys. And yes, it's another week of vocal bakbakan dito sa Ikaw at Eko, ka-voice ni Idol. And yes, we are on our 5th weekly finals today. At handa nyo na po ang inyong mga tenga sapagat kayo talaga'y mai-impress. Meron po tayong nag-tie this week. Meron din tayong mga nag-champion sa daily. So today, we're gonna start off with Karen Carpenter. She's an American singer, chart topper. And to give us a sampler of yesterday once more, here's Molly.
Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine.
Oh yes, that's so fine, Molly. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, get ready to be shaken and stirred because first off, we have from Bacoor, Cavite, Jobert Tan, ang ka-voice ni Karen Carpenter.
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. And those were such happy times, and that's so long ago. How I wondered where they gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I've loved so well, every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to say so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can hear that make me cry just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine.
Thank you so much. Yes, we were taken back to yesterday. Care of Jobert Tan from Cavite City, ang ka-voice ni Karen Carpenter. Up next, we have the Philippines' Prince of Pop, Eric Santos. And to give us a demo of how Eric did it, here's Molly with I'll Never Go.
I'll never come home far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Kaazar ka, Molly. Ang galing mo, ha? Go ka na nga! Diba? Galing! Ang sarap. Pero ito, siguradong mas masasarapan kayo sa boses ng iconwari natin for today. Our next contestant is Joseph Escalania from Negros Occidental, ang ka-voice ni Eric Santos.
You'd always ask me those words I say and tell me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Oo, sinasagot na kita. Yeah! Sarap naman ng ganun. Para akong Romeo and Juliet. Anyway, you've seen the vocal stylings of Karen Carpenter and Eric Santos. Mamaya, abangan nyo ang tatlo pa nating mga contestants dahil siguradong kayo mismo ay maguguluhan kung sino ang inyong bobotohin sa pagbabalik po yan ng Eat Bulaga.
All out sayawan. Extreme pautangan.
Kuya,
Humanda na sa
okay
matinding
lang,
pagalingan.
Flats naman ako. Okay lang.
Level up na labanan. Ang 2-in-1 battle ng tatlong eskwelahan. Anong school ang mangingibabaw? Timoteo Paez Elementary School, FG Calderon Elementary School, G. Manalo Elementary School. Abangan lahat ng yan ngayong Sabado sa Junior Pinoy Henyo.
This program is brought to you by the Beacon Makati.
You're watching Eat Bulaga.
Knock knock.
Good afternoon, student.
Ito na ang paborito niyong klase. Ito na ang Bulagaan 2013. London ho? May inihanda bang pasabog ang mga paborito ng classmate sa tanghalian?
Ikaw ay mapapawaw.
Ang bagulong Bulagaan 2013. Bukas na! Dito lang yan sa Eat Bulaga!
Oh yes, I'm excited for tomorrow sa Bulagaan! Samantala, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa 5th weekly finals ng Ikaw at Eko Ka-Voice ni Idol. And I'm sure you guys are excited to meet the final 3 contestants for today. We have Australian singer and songwriter, napakagandang babae, Lenka. And to give you a sampler of how Lenka does the show, here's Molly with A Show.
I'm just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared that I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I know.
All right, thank you. And to give us a show that you will definitely not forget, here's our next contestant from Jade Valley, Davao City, Janica Magayon, ang ka-voice ni Lenka.
I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. 'Cause it's too much, yeah, it's a lot to be something I'm not. I'm a fool out of love, 'cause I just can't get enough. Yeah, I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know da-dum-dee-dum, da-dum-dee-dum. Just enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show.
Aww, thank you, Janica from Davao City. And if you notice, Davao going strong. Ating mga Davao contingents talagang palaban. Because up next, we have another Davao representative. Pero pakita muna natin kung sino ang kanyang concert icon. Ito, si Jessica Sanchez, ang ating American Idol Season 11 first runner-up. Pakinggan muna natin siya, care of Molly.
Sweet dream or beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up from your sweet dream or beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love so good to be true. My guilty pleasure.
Oh, ha? Pag ganyan naman naman napapanood mo, di ba hindi ka pa mapapa-sweet dreams? O ito naman, sweet na sweet at talagang bibigyan kayo ng sweet dreams. Our next contestant from Davao City, si Ariel Daluraya, ang ka-voice ni Jessica Sanchez.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. Going out of my head, lost in a fairy tale. You hold my hands and be my sweet dreams are a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too good to be true. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. They belong as you hear. I'll be floating on air 'cause you're mine. Oh, a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up from you. Tattoo your name across my heart. Not even death could make us part. What kind of dream is this? Oh, you can be my sweet dreams or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ren! Ang galing, nakakatuwa. O ito naman, ang champion natin kahapon. Ang record-breaking folk musician. Ang singer ng best-selling Pinoy song of all time, Anak. Eto pa, sino ba naman hindi makakaalala kay Freddie Aguilar? At to sing, and to give us a performance na Magdalena, here's EB Babe Molly.
Magdalena, ikaw ay sawing palad. Kailan ka nila maiintindihan? Magdalena,
Magdalena, ikaw kaya ay maging sawing palad? Tingnan natin ang ating next contestant, si Erwin Diaz from Batangas City, ang ka-voice ni Freddie Aguilar.
larawan mo'y nilalait. Magdalena
ikaw ay di maintindihan. Kay isang kapuspan at bigo ka pa sa pag-ibig. Hindi ka nag-aral pagkat walang pera. Kaya ika'y namasukan sa mapiling at tapat. Mula noong binansagan, kalapati mababa ang iban. Madali na ikaw ay sawing banan. Kailan ka nila maintindihan? Madali na ikaw ay sawing banan. Kailan ka nila maintindihan? Kaya ika'y namasukan. Magdali na. Mula noong binansagan, kalapati mababa ang iban. Madali na ikaw ay sawing banan. Kailan ka nila maintindihan? Madali na. Madali na.
And that tops our five Iconwaris for today. Matapos ang kanilang mga pasabog na performances, tanungin naman natin ang ating mga judges kung ano masasabi nila. Let's start off with Alan K. What do you think, AK?
Ang mga weekly talaga ng Ikaw at Echo, parang laging grand finals.
No? Oh. Diba? Talaga
pahirapan lagi para sa mga judges. Pero ang technique kasi nito sa judging, kung pare-pareho na lang sila magaling, pumikit ka once, bawat kanta nila, lalo na dun sa part na labas yung boses ng original artist, pakinggan mo yun na nakapikit. Pag natumbok niya yun, yun na.
Yun na. Alright, thank you, AK. Meron ka bang napupusuan na? Huwag mo muna sabihin ko sino, pero meron na bang namamayagpag sa iyong mga rates?
Oo, may mga outstanding sa akin, dalawa.
Dalawa?
Pinrate ko yung pagkatay na yun sa akin. Inano ko na lang, yung kinonsider ko na lang kung sino nag-perform, kasi let's not forget na sila nagpe-perform sa EB concert stage.
Okay. Thank you. Ito naman, tanungin natin, Miss Jaya, what do you think?
Alam mo ako, una sabihin ko lang na nakaka-proud isipin na napakarami talagang talents na magagaling sa Pilipinas. So,
Totoo yan.
proud to be Pinoy na naman ako. Pangalawa, yun nga tama yung sinabi niya eh. Pag nandito ka sa Itbulaga stage, hindi ka pwedeng hindi bumigay ng 101% kasi nakakahiya naman kung tsaka, di ba? Eh, ito na yun. Big time na ito, big time.
True.
Cherry. So, ang akin lang, meron na akong dalawa din na napupusuan. Hindi nga kami nakapag-usap tungkol kung sino yon. Pero talagang, pag pumikit ka eh, pakinggan mo lang ng slight yung tirada, yun na yun. So, ako
Yun na
talaga, biglang nauwi sa isa. So,
Ay!
salamat at inimbitahan niyo ako dahil talagang na-entertain ang aking
Maraming
fest.
salamat din at tinanggap mo ang aming invitasyon.
Kaya nga dapat, pag ganyan ang mga pangyayari, maraming salamat sa Bello Medical Group tsaka sa JOC.
Have!
Tsaka kay Alex Carbonell. Pwede naman at I Love Sparkle Contact Lenses.
Pasok po sa Steve Mark Gunn, ha?
Siyempre naman.
grabe ka eh.
Smile.
Okay. Salamat sa ating mga judges at salamat din sa kanilang mga pinasalamatan. Miss Jaya and Tower Cats, Alan K. Maraming salamat din sa ating mga concert Iconwari. You heard Karen Carpenter, Eric Santos, Lenka, Jessica Sanchez, and Freddy Aguilar. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations na sa inyo dahil ang gagaling talaga ninyong lahat. Pero syempre, kailangan isa lang ang manalo for this week. Mamaya po, malalaman na natin kung sino sa kanila ang tatanghaling Ikaw at Eko Ka-Voice ni Idol Weekly Finals winner. Pero bago yan, pasasabugin muna namin ang inyong mga daigdig sa saya at tuwa dito sa Ang Joke Ko sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga.
Gusto niyo bang maging concert artist?
Kuya Maldo.
Told me everything she could not say.
Kung ka-voice mo si Idol, chance mo nang bumilit sa ED Stage. Ikaw at Eko, ka-voice ni Idol, Provincial Audition. Bataan. Pampanga. Baguio. Cagayan de Oro. Para makasali, eto lang ang dapat ninyong dalhin. Mag-audition na dahil baka ikaw na ang maging ultimate concert icon wari sa Ikaw at Eko, ka-voice ni Idol.